Hello everyone, I'm Nishita Patnaik and our team is going to take you in the future of virtual reality with the newly made Microsoft HoloLens 2. HoloLens will let you see those wonders which you can't see by your naked eyes. It has a micro electromechanical system which let you see the mixed reality. It also has a lens slide over, so whenever you want to step out of the virtual reality, you can step out just with the flip of the lens. It also has a metal strap so that you can use it for a long time. When suppose you see a body with the naked eye, what you see? Skin, hair, and with the HoloLens, you can see the inner workings of the body. You can see the skeleton, you can see the organ system, you can see the working of heart, brain, and and everything else with 3D images. And you can get their names without you have to search for them in the internet. It would be so helpful for doctors. They can see the inner working without having to operate them to see what's wrong inside. If I start to tell you the uses of these, then it would take a long time. Imagine you touch, you can feel those objects. They will feel you like they are real objects. You can create your own world with your creativity, your imagination, and whatnot. It has a dial-in fit system which helps you to use it for long hours. It is connected with internet, so you don't have to worry about those wires and all. It is secure, manageable, and certified by the industries. And once it comes in market, it will take the technology to next level. HoloLens will make the development so easier and shorten the distance between the today's world and the technological revolution world.
Hello everyone, my name is Sahil Kumar and I am the Chief Product Architect of Microsoft. Now we are going to see the product specifications of HoloLens 2. So let's get started. The presentation outline. So today we'll discuss about the sensors, audio and speech, human understanding, environment understanding, compute and connectivity, fit, software and power. The HoloLens 2 comes with 4 visible light cameras and 2 infrared cameras. It has a 1 megapixel time of flight depth sensor and accelerometer, gyroscope and a magnetometer. The camera can take 8 megapixel stills and also 1080 pixels 30 frame per second video. You will get a out of the box audio experience with HoloLens 2. It has a microphone array of 5 channels and a built-in spatial sound so that it makes sure you will completely experience a real life sound coming through the objects around you. The Microsoft HoloLens 2 comes with amazing features like eye tracking and hand tracking. It can detect both the eyes and as well as hands. It is fully trained and has a enterprise level Windows Hello software which can also detect iris and hence increase the security of the device. The Microsoft HoloLens 2 comes with an amazing environment detection system. With the help of world scale positioning technique, it divides the area around you into grids, which helps to detect the objects around you perfectly and hence give you an immersive experience. Coming to the computing and connectivity power of the new Microsoft HoloLens 2. It has a powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon 850 computing platform and a 4GB LPDDR4X system DRAM. It has the fastest storage system of 64GB UFS 2.1, which works smooth. And the coming about the fit of the device, it is a single size device and fits over the glasses and has a amazing low weight of 566 grams. The new Microsoft HoloLens 2 has an amazing battery system. It has 2 to 3 hours of active uses and includes USB PD for fast charging. Coming to the cooling system, it uses the passive way of cooling, which includes no fans. It uses lithium batteries. That's it. And thank you, guys.
Hello everyone. So let's talk about the accessories section of Microsoft HoloLens 2. I am Margi here, and let's talk about headsets with accessories, which are used to give you an endless, seamless, and a quality immersive experience of power packed augmented reality. Well, Windows Mixed Reality immersive headsets contribute to this part. They require some supported accessories, including keyboard, mouse, gamepad, and motion controllers for input beyond gaze and voice. Well, starting off with Bluetooth keyboards, English language QWERTY Bluetooth keyboards can be paired and used anywhere around the world to connect with Microsoft HoloLens 2 and experience its full operational functionality. Well, here are some recommendations by Microsoft itself. Hence, this is a professional advice. So, there are some quality keyboards which can be used with Microsoft HoloLens 2. One of them is this Microsoft Designer Bluetooth desktop. Another advice, and this one is very impressive. It is a foldable, compact, and easy to handle and a go to keyboard which you would love to use with Microsoft HoloLens 2 while you are traveling. This is the Microsoft Universal Foldable Keyboard. While talking about Bluetooth gamepads, we can use a controller with apps and games that specifically enable gamepad support. Gamepads cannot be used to control the HoloLens user interface. This is a drawback, but we can at least use the basic functionality of gamepad support. That is to use apps and play games. Talking about motion controllers, here is the leading one, Xbox. Xbox wireless controllers that come with the Xbox One S or sold as accessories for the Xbox One S feature Bluetooth connectivity can be used with HoloLens and immersive headsets, which we talked about earlier. Well, everything nowadays almost needs a basic device version support. So the Xbox wireless controller must be updated, and we should always check its device version before it can be used with HoloLens. Talking about other Bluetooth accessories. Well, as long as peripheral supports either the Bluetooth HID or GATT profiles, it can pair with HoloLens. Well, other devices which have these functionality, excluding keyboard, mouse and HoloLens clicker, may require a companion application on Microsoft HoloLens to be fully operational and provide you with a robust experience. Well, talking about the unsupported peripherals, Bluetooth audio profiles are not supported, nor are Bluetooth audio devices such as speakers and headsets. They might be available in the settings app, but they are not supported with Microsoft HoloLens as it is an audio endpoint. Bluetooth enabled phones and PCs are not supported, neither for pairing nor for file transfers. Well, thank you.
Hello and thank you all of you for having us today. I am Siddhartha Purwar and I am going to talk about the industrial use of this wonderful product. Before that, let me tell you a story of man and fire. Once early man discovered the fire, he started to imagine different ways in which he can use the fire. He imagined to use fire as a source of light. He imagined to use fire as a safety tool. He imagined to use fire as a cooking purpose. And he continued to imagine all the ways in which he can use the fire. That was the starting of new civilization. Now, it is very important to tell this story today because we are going to recreate this story with a significant change. This HoloLens is not a product, it is the fire of modern world man. Imagine you are a doctor and you want to show your patient how tinnitus is caused by the nerve inside the brain. Now, doing so with the help of diagrams or 2D screen is not so convenient for proper understanding. Imagine if you can show the whole brain in a real model, whole each and every layer inside the brain, as if they are looking inside the brain. Now imagine you are a designer and you want to see the final outcome of design before finalizing it. This HoloLens is going to help you see the design before the completion. This is going to let you see the details of the design before its actual completion. Now consider another situation in which you have to instruct your warrior about the territory inside the enemy control. Imagine if you could see the whole area, every corner, every terrain in just one picture instead of bulky maps. Now this could be a game-changing thing and even a life-saving product in such situations. Now, this is my favorite one. We all love playing games. This is a fact. But there's something missing. Missing of the feeling. We cannot feel ourselves inside the game. We cannot feel the characters. Imagine if you can feel like if the character of the games are around you. Imagine if you feel like you are inside the game. This HoloLens is going to give you that experience. Here is a bad situation in which you miss a chance to get the ticket of a football match. Now, watching a football match on a television or 2D screen is just like reading the whole match in a newspaper. It is not going to give you any kind of feeling. Imagine if you can feel the energy of the stadium around you. Imagine if you can feel if you are inside the stadium. This HoloLens is going to give you the experience of a stadium from your couch. Now all this we are using mobile phones and computers, but there is a problem with them. We need to carry them all time. Now, this HoloLens is going to solve this problem. Imagine having a super cool looking goggle that can help you access all the functionality of a computer or your laptop. This HoloLens, believe me or not, is going to replace your computer and mobile phones. Now, this world is so large and distances are separating people. Imagine you want to talk to some person. Now, what are the options available for you? You may have a video call, you may have a voice call, but there's no feeling at all. Imagine if you can feel the person in the same room. Imagine if you can experience as if you are talking that person and he's sitting in front of you. This HoloLens is going to give you that feeling. This HoloLens is going to give you that unmatchable experience. And here we are in the middle of pandemic, classes are going online, and they are so boring and unproductive. Suppose you are a teacher or a student. Imagine if you can feel as if you are inside the class. Imagine if you can have that ambience of the class. Imagine you can interact with your friend or teacher as if they are present with you. And moreover this, imagine a teaching in an augmented reality way. Now the traditional booking system are just so boring and unproductive at the same time. This way of teaching is going to be so productive. This HoloLens is going to bring a revolution in the whole education industry. And here is something that I believe so deeply. Your imagination is everything. It is a preview of live coming attraction. So just continue to imagine all the ways in which you can use the HoloLens. The same way early man used to imagine to use fire. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead.
Okay, so hello everyone. My name is Akansh Choudhary, and I'm going to continue the explanation about HoloLens, and I'm going to talk about pricing. So let's talk about the types of HoloLens that we provide. So these are the basic types. So here we have HoloLens 2 with your remote assist, Industrial Edition for big companies, and Industrial Edition with remote assist. We have a special edition which is Triple XR10 with HoloLens 2. Then we have HoloLens 2 with Development Edition, in which we provide special development rights and leisures to people who buy this. Next, we look at the proper specifications of the things that we are going to get in each type of device. So in HoloLens 2, we get the basic device. Then we have remote assist with the remote, your industrial edition with these two additional things, which is a class 5 clean room and ABCD group environments. Similarly, here we have a remote assist added. Trimble XR10 adds you the HIDART integrated and also gives you PPE complaint in 40 plus countries, which is a very big advantage. Also, it provides you noise cancelling audio output, enhancing your experience while using the product. And in developer edition, we allow you developer entitlements. The next thing is the box components. So here we have HoloLens 2 device, your a strong and sturdy carrying case, overhead strap for proper grip while you're having the device on your head, microfiber cloth for properly cleaning and maintaining the lens basically. We have your charger and we have your USB-C cable. The next thing is finally the pricing. The price ranges from around $3,000 or mid $3,000 for the base product, and it goes up to nearly 5 to 5.5K. So yeah, people may be thinking that this is a lot of price for a glass, but yes, these are not just plain glasses. A lot of engineering thought and a lot of scientific work has been put into making this product and presenting it to the users finally. So it is worth it, and I can give you the assurance. Also, depending on the model you choose and the additional things that you choose to modify the price may vary. Along with that, no extra accessories are included, and if you wish to buy any extra accessories, then yes, you have to buy them separately. So that is it from my end. Thank you.